Want to turn $150 into $9,000? It's possible, but just avoid these beginners' mistakes. If I could change my life, so can you? Hi, welcome to Diana's Trading Channel. Many people lose money in binary options because they don't know enough or they just don't have good plan. I made lots of mistakes and lost money at first. Today I will share 2 easy steps to make trading simpler for beginners. First, join my free Telegram channel. There I share my trading signals, give advice and answer your questions. 1,000 people make money with me every day for free. Click the link below to join. My win rate is 88.2% and I will help you avoid common mistakes. Here are the steps. First, make a decision. The first step is to decide to make money and start trading. Many people want success, but don't act. Be different, just start. Find time to trade, even if it's just an hour a day. You don't need a lot of money to start. Ask yourself, do I want to turn $10 into $1,000? If yes, set your goal and go for it. Second, keep going and don't stop. You get to write your own story. Don't just stop after you start. Every day is a new chance to get better and make more money. On my channel, I show you how I turn $10 into a lot more. Watch some of my trading sessions to see how it's done. Stay with me and I will help you to learn how to trade. It's easy to understand and can be profitable. It's not just about money, it's about learning and growing. Let's start this journey together. We will begin with a candlestick time frame, which will be set at 30 seconds, and our trade duration is going to be 1 minute. For our currency pairs, we have got Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, and our 4 pair euro and Swiss franc. Today, our trusty sidekicks are Keltner channel. This little gem is a volatility-based indicator. Picture a range or a channel where the price bounces between the top and the bottom boundaries. These edges, they are your resistance and support levels. They are bread and butter of trading. Any price movement that steps out of this channel could either signal a change in trend or an acceleration in its pace. Stochastic oscillator, think of this one as a heart monitor for the market's pulse or momentum. Imagine the market price as a rocket shooting up into the sky. As it climbs higher, it slows down, and at its peak, sluggishness. Boom, it starts to fall. That peak, that's our momentum, the very moment the trend shifts. When combined, these indicators provide a crystal clear picture of what's happening with prices, helping us forecast potential price movements. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you both the present and the future. So here is to make informed decision and hopefully to a fatter wallet. Alright, we are all set. But wait, there is this fun topic my friends and I were just chatting about. Who do you think makes for better trades, guys or girls, and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments. It would be interesting to gather some insight on this one. To be honest, I don't have a clear-cut answer. There seem to be fewer ladies in trading, but I have noted that guys tend to be a tad more impatient and often blow their deposit due to greed. Anyways, I am eager to hear your thoughts. Now it's time to dive into a trading session, time to tune into our trades vibes, or should I say chakras. Let's jump in, let the game begin. The euro and the Swiss franc, all the Keltner channel lines are heading upwards, plus there is a clear upward trend and a strong push from the previous green candle. So far from short time frame, we are going bullish. Let's go higher. Boom! Just like that, $288 won in one trade and our deposit got a sweet little bump. Moving on. Our next pair seems to be moving sideways, meaning the price will fluctuate in a tight range. Consolidation basically translates to a stabilization. Price seems comfy at the level, which means we might see a repeat of what's on the left going short. A little more. Yeah, gosh, isn't this trade just the best feeling? Growing our stage step by step, and look at that, we are at $552. Next up, Oji and Kitty. The stochastic lines are hinting at a downward move. Plus, we are expecting a trend reversal indicated by the long red candle following a green one. The bulls try to take over, but no, not today. Let's hit lower. Our deposit now at $1,060. Feels kind of different when it crosses the 1K mark, doesn't it? Okay, the Aussie and the Canadian dollar, this pair seems to be sideways too, but the bears are pressing down. As we can see, the Keltner channel lines are hitting down, betting on a lower. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Our wallet now bursting with $1,980. Isn't that just beautiful? By the way, how are you finding my trading terminology explanation? If you are enjoying this, give this video a thumbs up. It will motivate me to dive even deeper into analysis and commentary in the future. Perfect, I'm feeling pumped. Let's keep making money. What have we got here? The candle after its reversal is heading straight for the resistance line, and the balls are pushing it even higher. The stochastic lines are just starting to signal upward momentum. Let's click higher. Away, son! This stochastic didn't let us down. We are at $2,900. Everything's going smoothly. The Canadian, the yen, this pair is known for its intense moves, but looking at the 1 minute time frame, I'm betting the bulls will come out on top, so we are going long. Let's play that bet. Oh, nail it! $3,820 in the bank. Trading always gets me so pumped. I'm feeling like $1,000,000 right now. Alright, their pace stochastic is pointing downward again. The bears just can't get enough of this juicy pair, pulling the market down. Oh, Shep, let's go short. Nice! Our total earnings are now $4,740. We are killing it, but we are not done yet. Spotting a trend reversal here. After the long green candle, there are short red ones, one after the other. Both indicators are hinting at a downward movement, and we are just riding the trend. Simple as that. Hold on, and bang! Fabulous! Our profits are now at $5,660. I think I have made quite a statement here.
What do you got in there? Cinder blocks? $500,000 in cash.
What you got in there? Cinder blocks? $500,000 in cash? To achieve these kinds of gains, I spent hours learning various strategies, understanding different indicators, and powering over charts. You can level up like this too by watching videos on my channel. And here I made $2,726 in 10 minutes. But for now, let's keep the momentum going. Okay, back to the euro and Swiss franc. What around town is? We are expecting some kind of consolidation at an all-time high. Candles can't really make a sharp move down in this situation, so we are placing our bets to go higher. Let's do this. The bears seem too weak to break enough, while the bulls take charge, but not for long. Bam! Just as I predicted, look at us go! We are hit the sweet $6,580. To trade successfully, you have got to get how indicators work. That's exactly why I am here, sharing my wisdom with you. Check this out, there is a trend reversal on this pair. The red lines have hit a strong support level, and the bull, they are just getting started. Our stochastic indicator is also pointing to a price rise, so we are placing our bet on a rise. All in. This is a real rise. Look at that. We have climbed up to $7,500. We are reaching closer to the session final, guys. Aussie and the New Zealand, those picky bears just keep pulling this pair down from the Keltner lines. It's pretty clear the price isn't looking to rise, but rather it's going downward, so we play accordingly. Lower. What a stellar close to the deal! We are now sitting pretty at $8,420. The Aussie and the Canadian dollar, we have got a reversal from the resistance level, and we are following this fresh trend, also backed up by our trusted stochastic indicator, which is pointing downwards. And strike! How about that? That's how we roll. Let's see what you got. Honestly, we are just on fire. Turned $150 into a whopping $9,340. Where else you can multiply your investment by 60 in just 15 minutes? As a beginner, diving into trading can be daunting. Many start without enough experience and lose money, a mistake I have made in the past. To help you avoid this, I post daily signals on my Telegram channel, which I personally use. By following my signals, you can safely gain practical experience. Start with small sums of money. Risking large amounts won't enhance your learning but could lead to significant losses. Using two key techniques: small investment and trading on my signals, you can sidestep common beginner errors. So shake off your tears and start practicing. Remember, practice is the key to success. Gradually, you will gain experience and confidence in trading. Follow my signals and together we will navigate the financial market successfully. Don't delay your journey to success. It's waiting for you. Trade on your own. Once you have grasped the basics and gained some experience, the crucial step is to start trading independently. This may seem scary, but it's essential for achieving financial independence. Embrace self-trading. It's your path to finding your unique style and strategy. Start with small amounts and focus on making your own decisions. That's when you become a real trader. Yes, it might seem challenging, but your dive for success will guide you. Don't fear the challenges. Start today, and I will be here to assist you every step of the way. My 4 years of experience is your guide on this journey. Remember, my free Telegram channel is not just for trading session. I explain the nuts and bolts of binary options trading, even showing beginners which buttons to press. You will begin to understand trading in just a few days and start earning your first money, even the little initial knowledge. Trading strategies might seem complex, but I am here to simplify them for you. By following my trades, you can consistently achieve the same results as I do. I'm eager to share my knowledge and guide you into the world of trading, helping you reach a new financial level. Many of my subscribers are already benefiting from my guidance in trading. I'm excited to take you step by step into the world and help elevate your financial life. Everything I offer is for you, and it's free. My channel is dedicated to sharing unique knowledge, methods, and strategies. I explain technical indicators, analysis method, and much more. If you are keen on more trading videos like this one, show your support. Your interest motivates me to create new content. Together, we will build a successful trading career for you. Trust me, let's lay a solid foundation for your financial future together. That's all for today. If you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Bye for now.